Hi, I'm Lily, and today I want to tell you about a place I love so much. My grandma's house. I love going to my grandma's house. It smells like cookies and old books. My grandma always hugs me tight and gives me a big smile. We sit in the garden and drink tea. She tells me stories about when she was young. I feel safe and happy there. Her home is my favorite place in the world. Every corner of her house has a memory. The sofa where we laugh. The kitchen where she makes my favorite food. The balcony where we watch the sunset together. I love my grandma, and I love her home. It's, full of love. What do you love most about your grandma's house? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lovely English stories.